I think the police security team will have to go off somewhere. We will, at this time, run through their component. We'll have the securities come in and do their, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my distinct pleasure to bring us to the next number in our program, the presentation of the colors, and will be executed by the Department of Public Safety. You like me? Abasama? Mawar mo eh? Okay, mau. Ikamela mo kumail kapatra meluwa o kasingkan pilain ko kumail kol rano. Kailangan anso ceremony trotro kumail wiwiyaya. May niya pa nga pag-tribal run rehearsal eh? I think, right, Chair? We will do another rehearsal on Thursday? Chair, we're doing a rehearsal on Thursday. Can I ask Chief Officer Agostino, sabon mo yung officer kan? Niya pa nga may patroto yung kasingkaw, may yara may uniform, pilain ka bilusig. Utan usig to full dress rehearsal. Okay, Sue, I think we're introducing now Lieutenant Governor. Back to it. Or Governor. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll pretend to be I'll pretend to be the Governor Peterson. Iyang mon sapako katuun sa katuwaon ranwat ran lel kasilil patroan pakapakoy kumaitare ban patroti sangar ng pukawat kalangan o kasililya. So, uh, Lieutenant Governor-elect comes forward with the wife, with the Bible. He takes his oath, and then pause for a moment somewhere here. The media people will take a picture. So, media, you gotta still cameras. Be prepared, because that will be a still photo opportunity, and then the next MC will introduce uh, the governor. But prior to that, I think the Chief Justice, right? Yeah. So, Sue, uh, uh, we'll be taking the video. And then we introduce the Honorable Chief Justice Nelson. Uh, yeah, I do that, right? Okay. Once apo isoko trial katrin kasamoto songko pung lapalap Nelson Joseph mapan patrawanta kaulan puka ong Cabinet Cup, the Honorable Reed Oliver. Okay, so Governor-elect comes up with the wife, Bible in hand. Chief Justice recite the oath. Governor-elect follow the recite the oath, and then they pause and take a photo. And then I would congratulate Governor Oliver for having taken the oath. Battle. Yeah, more remote, Patilog. Yeah, right. According to where would we have the battle at? So this governor will not. The first lady will go down, right? At this time, because he will take the oath and then. Yeah.
podium will be there for the inaugural address, right? So during the oath, you will be governor
Oh, yeah.
and
Judge, Chief
the
Justice.
vice, right, or
Got enough
whoever is
space?
holding the Bible.
Okay.
Okay.
For the pictures, podium at that.
So maybe we should angle it
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
that, huh?
And
Angle it.
then
We'll have
the
to like X off
X.
it.
We mark it where.
Ari, song kapong bang kasi the podium bang block.
We even need to stage it. Governor can look at the be visible to the camera.
And then the next governor will also be on the same
Side.
side.
Podium.
Podium.
Oh, okay.
So we'll make it on this side where the governor or lieutenant governor and Santa. Wala na ni tadiya, song kolpay kolopano nila mo. So it will have to be on this side. Song kolpay kolowa.
Well, yeah, so
And then can you stand here for the
you're the judge.
judge?
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
See there, they got
So
that
it
angle.
will be here, right?
Hey, media, how's the angle? This is the. We're marking the whole.
Or should we
Is it
move?
good for you?
No? If they're both gonna be done on that side.
There will be a podium here.
The podium can be a little bit off the center.
A flower here.
Yeah.
Kapabla, wala kay ito liki.
Yeah.
Kay ito restore ito liki. Anytime space anytime. Oh, may camera still shot on it.
Yeah.
Video,
To you.
it's good.
Arena. And then the
Solemn.
I do.
Eh, rakak subay ba na ni side ko?
yeah.
Eh, podium.
Yang akan side podium akan next to the side. And then
Hey, kung kulihan ka, wait. Wag. I will stage one. Stage.
Mo ba na natin? Baka na?
Wow, man. Basta patron ke Leon lalaba Leon ka bubutila. Ako dia mo na so kung labalabog.
Stilo. Isa pa lang yung lalaban.
Meron angle lan. Wow. Good angle.
as long as my face can see the camera.
That means the camera can see you. Because I don't want him to go like this one. To a false one. But he'll know, huh?
We have a lot more work to do on our side. Prepare our mind and all
That's
that.
why I said if it's scripted out,
You want
would've-
we do that by running it through they realize that we need a more detailed script.
that's why it's
Yeah.
in my email.
Yes.
So by Thursday, we will have something like that?
Yes.
They'll make.
So
Tomorrow we'll get
after the oath,
after the vote, what's the next one on program?
Man mo, when mo ngayon?
the paddle.
Patilo.
Oh, Patilo. Okay, how will we
Yeah, not man patilo.
okay. What's a clue for First Lady to achieve? Oh, I congratulate her. Right? Because I will congratulate the governor for taking the order. I think that should be a time for First
And
Lady.
then who's gonna bring up the panel to governor?
Because I think this time governor doesn't have to go back down. How about that?
Governor, the new governor
as
will
well
be
as
up
the-
here already. So the will ask Governor Peterson to please present for the
He will
paddle.
come up. So Governor Peterson will come up. With the
Rather than maybe can we just tell Governor Peterson to just come in
Yeah, that's
rather than us announcing like he just
right after the oath,
yeah.
and he comes in with the bell.
How about that?
Jongkamiti suka ka jungan do chan sawo. Oyang governor.
someone has to bring it.
Mamo tan sa panalitian.
Teka,
Kamo sa
silent
panalitian.
flicker him, eh?
What we can do, the MC can ask Governor Peterson back by Dato, and then someone will bring the paddle to Governor Peterson
Ma'am.
while he's on stage.
Nang ma. Okay.
What if it's already here?
Like, sitting there on a stand or something.
The bell.
Can it be standing?
Sabi awit at the way you want. BBM.
Okay, okay.
The colors coming together.
Joshua ma.
We can ask them. Someone in the staff to carry the bag.
Mas ano ba ang kwan? Ang pagkatapat ilo.
Ma protocol ang kung nabatara mas eh.
Eh,
Ay kan patungan to patilor ay sawa.
ganun, pasubala mo siya.
Something here.
Saka malita yung stand up well. Extra. What you want me to do? Pagkatulong ka.
And then when the governor takes his oath finish, we will coordinate with Peterson, give him the cue that he will come and he will get the candle. Just give it to him and
Photo up.
photo up and then he holds back and then
Oh. So maybe you can form the letter and then she sign it. And then we send it to the right.
Okay.
Maybe even identify the name.
So which school? Okay.
We're gonna do that for the Monday.
Okay.
Hey, more na kapara dyan.
support me lang.
Kaba ko yung meron din. Diba?
Or we can
na rin ang kapna.
And tinapor yung
Ha?
and take
And
a
naliligid lang
pregnancy.
ako. Apa
And niya yung paniya. So take taso, laban na lang napatuloy titin ni poster iya kuya.
Young First Lady.
Something like that. Switching. May tayo.
Stand.
Then,
Well, usang
okay, fly Riyaw. O men.
Kuya bangko sa liyew. Kasi wala niyew dumaan ka pa.
Ari, protocol ka kilangata. Amen mga nakamasalan.
Abang
Pwedang kolja. Or, abang kolja, iwa patilo. Potato.
Abayang? Okay, so I think we...
Natangkap niya nga dato presentation of colors sa katilo. Mia sawi.
So just blow it. You'll put down the barrel, pick up the shell, blow it, then the anthem starts. That's it.
Na sawi. All color band teacher. Ikaw sawi yo. National anthem. Chat. Ha?
Family mo po po.
Aban mau ko? Colors. Kuwat kira bang post. Utang bolis ko bang kaspasinan ni colors ko yawi.
Antaman daw.
Anthem ha? Okay, post. Kucha kalwara mawa post. Ikaw sawi. Signal to the STA choir to start on the national anthem.
Signal right there.
Kakoy
Huh?
siyang
Tenem na kalwara na. Ama, kaya kuya mo
we're gonna introduce
Yeah, one.
the paramount chief. Which is that?
I think, Smeba, we are in Paiso. Sional kayo muna? Okay.
So you'll name them after
Yung package mo,
and then ask everyone to
auto ko
stand
lang
for
din
the benediction.
in-operation address. Package yung siyang ni home to, let me na-roll address.
Hey,
Then set.
set mo. More in Paiso.
We're done to that.
There's two more items. In Paiso, kabahatan ng sito.
And then 12.
May try na.
And flow.
So you paint the picture and then ask everyone to stand for the benediction. And then introduce Father Ken.
So I do the Rin Paiso. Welcome.
Kasabot natin.
You do this one and then paint the ritual for that. And then ask everyone to remain standing. And then invite Father Ken. Or you don't even have to invite him. Just say we're standing for the benediction and Father Ken knows that that's his time.
We're done for today, yeah?
On behalf of overall chair, myself, my fellow MC, at Trungal Waun Kapna Ususta Kap o Trial Chorus. Ngayon, sansal mo a trial practice in ranet was a trotro try tiara tam tananana kamaula. Imoman sa na papukat. But it's so critical that we actually meet today and run through this program. Or else we will look like a mess on Monday in front of the public. On Thursday, overall chair, can we decide now that 10 a.m. Thursday we do another rehearsal? So hear it now, hear it clear. We will convene again here at 10 a.m. Please come sharp. And we're going to run through it like the way it's going to be done on Monday as much as possible. That will include protocol, you coming up with a very detailed script that including names, titles that are appropriate, that we will address to all the dignitaries, because Susan Low and I will have clearly identified who's going to do what, and by then we will have prepared ourselves, our hearts and mind. We will actually try to speak like we're going to speak on Monday. So today you didn't really hear us speak like the way we're going to speak on Monday, but on Thursday you will hear us speaking like we are going to speak on Monday. Right, Sue? And it's going to be a serious run-through. Today, to identify where the gaps are. And I think that's it. Anything from overall chair before we lunch and close? Daisy? Mia Kaparabat? Mao? Okay. Well, let's have lunch. Where's that lunch I keep hearing about? Mia Kawait Sang Nanpei? Mao? Mia kawait ka pa dapat? Mo try close? Mapit, okay, kalangan. Ay met trial lunch o trial patropesang. Kalangan ng kupur koros.